Hi, this is Suma Mahesh from CRM Ones. In this video, I'm explaining about the mixed reality. So I recently started exploring more features about the Power Platform, and one of the feature is called mixed reality integrations we have in the Power Platform. So that's a reason I want to start like a mixed reality as a separate series, and I want to explain like each and every minor details in that mixed reality series. And in the next generation, the most of the things will be part of in our life. Mixed reality also is one of the part that's the way the world it is going to into that due to the COVID. So the mixed reality will take a like a top place in the next coming days for our technology side, and the most of the things we will do like in the virtually. So that's the reason the mixed reality it's going to the next and topmost technology. And here I just want to go walk you through the like a what is a basic introduction about the mixed reality. So mixed reality is a combination of the physical and the digital worlds, and it will connect to the human and computer and environment interactions. So basically, the mixed reality is a combination of physical and digital worlds, and how the human and interactions between the human and computer and environment. Let's say take a for example, you have a one laptop, right? So you are like a human, you are the human being which you will provide the inputs into the laptop. It may be with the keyboard or mouse, or it may be photo, or whatever it may be. And the environment, it's like you are sitting in a room, and that room within the room what the object is there, you can feel that, right? So this new reality is a built on the computer vision and graphical processing power and display technology and input systems. So the mixed reality was introduced in a year 1994 paper by Paul Milgram and Kishino. It's like a taxonomy of mixed reality visual displays. So this the published paper article is explored this concept of virtual continuum and the categorization of taxonomy applied to display. Since then, this application of mixed reality has gone beyond displays to the include. So it will include like a environmental inputs and spatial sounds and locations and positioning and both real and virtual spaces. So environmental inputs and perceptions. So if you observe the relationship between the human and computer, input has been it's like a continued with a human computer interactions. So that is called like a HCI. So human input happens through different ways like a keyboards, okay, mic or mice or like a touch, ink, voice, kinet, skeletal tracking. So the improvements now in the latest days we have like a improvements is like in the sensors and processing are increasing the new area of computer inputs from environments. The interactions between the computers and environments is effectively like a environmental understanding or it's a perception. So the perception APIs, the Windows 10, we have like a perception APIs that will understand like a what is the environmental in environmental, and it will take the inputs from the environmental and captures like a or the person positions in the real world. That's like a head tracking, and surfaces and boundaries, that is like it's a spatial mapping and unseen understanding, and ambient lighting and environmental sound and object recognition and location. These all are like a base of taking the latest inputs to the digital world from the sensors. And here I just want to start explaining like what is a mixed reality, so where this technology started. So the mixed reality, before the mixed reality we have a two more before we have like a two more technologies, that is the one is like a virtual reality and other one is like a augmented reality, and the both combination is now it's like a mixed reality. So what is like exactly like a virtual reality? So virtual reality, so users are fully immersed in a computer generated reality when they are experienced virtual reality. So the virtual reality is most popular immersive technology in the world of gaming and entertainment were first adapters. Nowadays, lot of industries and organizations, they are using the VR, virtual reality. When a user puts on the head mounted display or VR headsets, they sense their brain believes they are moving among the virtual objects on a screen. The most commonly, the headset connected to a PC or a console that enables the virtual experience. In this case, we have like a Google Cardboard, Samsung Gear VR, and Google Daydream. It's a smartphone that creates the virtual experience where the Oculus Go and can do it all because it's like a standalone VR headsets. Augmented reality, it's like it's kind of a, do you remember that Pokemon Go and Crazy game? That the most well-known application for augmented reality, that that overlays the digital information on the real world. The augmented reality enhances the real world with the images, text, and other virtual information via devices such as heads-up displays, the smartphones and tablets and smart lenses and AR glasses. Augmented reality is usable for more than just entertainment. Like in the latest world, in the latest the retailer like IKEA is created like a AR app that helps the shoppers, they can utilize with that product when they are sitting at their home, how they can picturize and they can visualize that, they can feel it and they can purchase it. The tools such as like a AR kit by Apple and Google AR Core, because the smartphones can support maybe AR experiences, and more individual outside of the tech industry are getting exposed to the AR experience. Mixed reality, it's a combination of the both virtual reality and augmented reality. So a mixed reality is a next level of augmented reality because users can interact in the real time with the virtual objects that are placed within the real world. These virtual items will respond and react to the users if they are actual objects. To experience the mixed reality, an MR headset is used, and MR objects offer like a holographic experience through the translucent glasses or immersive experience. The mixed reality products that are currently available is Microsoft HoloLens, Acer Windows Mixed Reality, and Lenovo Explorer and Samsung. What did it say? Thank you so much for watching this video. So we will come with more videos on mixed reality, how we can start the development and how we can use these devices as a customer side. So the next generation will be in the mixed reality only. Thank you so much. If you like it, you can subscribe my video.